So guys, this is the weather now here. We have tropical storm Jenny, and this is the effect. The sea is still calm at this hour, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Still calm, but it's raining and the sky is dark. It's been raining since 12 midnight last night. So let's see how it goes tomorrow. Uh, and I'll give you the updates after this. So hello guys, this is the weather update as of 10 a.m. August 28th. Weather update for tropical storm Jenny effect in our place. So the waves are rough. As you can see, the sea is not good for sailing, and it's windy. Even though there's a sun shining up, but the waves are rough. Right now, tropical storm Jenny is out in the area, I think. pass through northern Tagalog region. Yep guys, so